Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's mukbang is about Polynesian food. Yeah, I have raw fish. Okay, and I have this beautiful food. Look, I'm going to show you. See? Yeah. It's lamb, roasted in soy sauce, and green bananas, guys. Yep. And look what I found. I forgot to get me some lemon, and I looked around in my kitchen and I found this lime. It's a winty little lime, guys. So, now let me taste this oka. Oh, it doesn't even need this lime, and I opened it for nothing. Oh, and the drink is taro drink with black balls in it. Black balls. And the drink guys is taro drink. Taro, and it's got black tapioca balls in it. So nice. You wouldn't think a taro could make a nice drink, huh? So nice. Anyway, I already thank the good Lord, because without him, I cannot eat these food. Okay? And without him, I don't exist. So, let me get to it. No mucking around. See? This is the green banana. Samoans, Tongans, Niueans, every Polynesian love to eat green bananas, you know. And guess where I got this from? I got this from the girls that's cooking here at Blackett, and they cook the lamb, and because they're Tongans, they can cook the lamb, trust me. And the fry is pretty nice. But anyway, I got the oka from the Samoan shop. I got this from the Asian shop. Anyway, the first one goes to you. Very good. Good one, Thomas. I know some of you viewers are probably thinking, you know, what is that? I'll tell you. This is lamb. This is lamb ribs, and it's roasted in soy sauce, and onion and garlic and all that beautiful flavors. And this is green banana, boiled, added with coconut cream and onions. And the raw fish is raw fish, tomatoes, cucumber, spring onions, and coconut cream and salt and pepper. My uncle, oh, it's nice, but since I've already opened up this lime, this lime don't have any juice. Oh, you know what, lime? Yeah, you go over there. Go over there and think about what you just done to me. Anyway, let me get started with this lamb. No, I'll do this. Guys, sorry, but this is mine. I've already washed my hands. Nothing worse than making dirty hands. Hey. Mm. Mm-mm. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Those tongues sure know their stuff. Mm-hmm. Mm. Anyway, I'm Batman today, guys. Batman. Mm. Mm. They've done a good job. Mm. Mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm. There's 3 local iron shops around here. So, I went to every single one of them. You know what I bought from the first one? It's in Bidwell. I bought their nice moon pies. And then, and 1 gallon. I bought me some ration chips. What did I buy me? 2 moon pie. Oh, and a fat papa. Fat papa is like a block block of flour, water, coconut cream, and sometimes shredded coconut and sugar. Then you roast it, right? Then a bone knife. This green banana is the big one. Thumbs up. Is it on recording? Yes, it is. When I was listening to my videos yesterday, I was thinking, man, when I'm eating, I don't even know I'm smacking that much. These girls know how to do the flavour. Wait, I forgot to, oh, there you go. You come over here, young lady. Follow my stuff in it. And lime, you go moi moi. You go moi moi lamb. I mean, lime. Go moi moi. Just so lovely. I celebrate by myself, eating all this beautiful food. You know what? Behave yourself. Cheers, guys. I know if this is the right drink to. This is about my third or fourth lamb mukbang. I wonder why I always do it. Because I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Right. I'm going to chop up the fat. Okay. If you want some of this nice food, go to the Blacker Shop. What's the date today? Wednesday. Because I think at Blacker Shop, they have the Samoans one time and then the Tongans come another time. So I don't know. Well, it's Wednesday today. So it's obviously the Tongan day today. Look at that. See? This is how nice it is. Oh. And it's cooked just right. Dirty fingers. Look at that. Raw fish. I done a sea urchin video, Kenna, and it's got so much views, like There's a lot of canon loving people out there, eh? They wanted to come and see, what is it? Ooh! Mwah. So to the girls that prepared this, well done, ladies. They do it so good and tender. So tender. Yes. I'm going to rip the skin off it. Ilahi. I don't know what ilahi means, but one time my husband overheard a Tongan man tell his ilahi. So, can the Tongan please put down a comment and let me know. So, for these many years, I think about the word, I don't know. My only thought of it must be, I didn't. Am I right? Ilahi. Oh, I properly? Okay. I don't know. Oh. The marination these girls do is bomb diggy. I had my shout out list ready to put up, and I left my book outside in the sunroom. Not good. Not happy, Jan. You know who Jan is? This lady that didn't do what she was told. It's an ad. It's an ad that people use when they're not when they're not too happy about it. They're not happy, Jan. Yeah. Fat girl is happy. Happy? Not what? What's before me? I haven't thought of what's the Samoa today. I'll tell you what. Mirror. I bought a mirror today. Well, it's a toy mirror. Okay. Mirror on the wall. Wait. See in the mirror, look down? Well, it's obviously not me. Anyway, right. Mirror. Mirror in Samoa. Fa'aka. Fa'aka. Mirror. Okay? I only got this mirror because, right, sometimes when my video is getting edited, I look at my face and I go, oh my gosh. Oh. Mirror, behave yourself. Oh, yeah. So the mirror will help me say, excuse me, there's a bit of food stuck inside of your mouth. Anyway, so I'm all ready for mirror. Fa'aka. So, fa'aka. That's another word. Aka is la. But anyway, mirror, It's whaaka, guys. Whaaka. So you say, whaaka on the wall. Aweke aka mai, or else you're going to get a ball. No. That was slack. Anyway, guys. I just wanted to show you guys my mukbang today. So, what do you guys got to eat today? Maonga. Who remembers that Samoa word I said the other day? Maonga. Okay, not maonga. Maonga. And at the moment, I am maonga. Okay, guys. So, if you want to see more and you haven't subscribed, you can subscribe. Okay. And then, if you want to see whenever I do a new one, you know, behave yourself. Yeah. So, you just end up ringing that bell, ding, 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 and then it will let you know I'm around somewhere, eating some food, okay? So, like, subscribe, share, and thank you for always stopping by, okay? I really appreciate it. Faso Fort, don't forget, let your friends know that don't know what mirror is in Samoa, that you know what the word is. Whaaka, okay? That's mirror. So, guys, be good, be kind, be considerate of others, and I'll see you again another time. Okay? Yeah, Faso Fort. I'm just trying to limit my videos because my daughter, she complains. She goes, Mom, can you make it shorter? Mom. Anyway, so slack. So slack. Don't even help him, Mama, and be considerate like I'm saying. Anyway. So, my daughter complains, I have to try and make it small. Oh, gosh. Okay, see you guys later. Anyway, take care, guys. Take really, really good care of yourself so you are able to look after your family. Priority, yourself, then your family. Okay? But never, ever forget to show appreciation and thank the good Lord. And I know some people don't believe in the good Lord, but I honestly do. I truly do. Because without him, we are nothing, guys. I know I'm nothing without him. So, take care. Give thanks. And I'll see you again another time. Wailua. Okay? Come on again late. Or else. You're not invited to my party. No, there's no party. Bye, guys. Take care.